I never downloaded it, but it was already there on my screen. Just one file sitting there, waiting. Only one button. There was no loading screen at all, no menu, no instructions anywhere, just silence around me. And then suddenly I was not in my... It looked like my city outside, but something felt completely wrong. No people, no sound at all, even my footsteps felt... I saw someone inside a house, just staring at me without moving. Then it hit me slowly, it was me, and somehow it moved. I tried to exit the game, pressing every button I could find. Nothing changed at all. Then exit appeared, but it was I felt something behind me, standing there still in silence. Not breathing, moving, just watching me close. Then I saw more of them. Different versions of me, all frozen and completely trapped. That's when I understood the truth. He's still inside that place trying to escape and exit, but I found something he never did. So tell me, do you want to play?